Okay guys, this is review for Predator Mutator 20 Plus Special Edition Leather Animal. Okay, you can see the box here. It is a Predator box. Adidas over there, shaped like a dinosaur's egg. And here is the boots. Okay, as expected, I'm not a fan of laceless boots, and even I cannot slip into the previous 18.1. For this one, I forced my way through. Okay, so this is a Mutator, latest model from Predator series. It releases in 3 colorways so far: the red black, black out, and the blue red one. So this is special edition. Those 3 I mentioned are made from synthetic upper, but this one, what makes the difference, what makes I bought them, it made from leather. Okay, it's leather here, and this very tight grip part of it. Okay, I'm a usual UK7 user, so yeah, this one fits me right, with slight space in the toe. Just I think from the size point of view, it's just the same sizing with the synthetics models. But this one, see, it's just different. It's just special.